Hi y'all, I'm not going to show myself because I have on my, it's not really a gown, it's what I sleep in. And walked about to drive me crazy, walking through the house, coming in the kitchen, taking this out. This is like orange cinnamon rolls. It's like Cinnabon with orange icing. So I'm going to fix this, man, something sweet. I hate opening these cans because they give that little pop. I got to figure out where it's, peel it open right there. Oh Lord, come on now. Ain't got no corners, no edges in here. Oh, there you go. That wasn't so bad, but it did startle me. Okay. This is my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. I almost made a mistake and sprayed the basket with some olive oil. I want no olive oil on my baked good. Spraying the basket with some of this fake butter. I can't believe it's not butter, it's the spray. It ain't spraying so well. There you go. Okay, that's good. Icing in here. Oh, they smell good. Come on. Trying to pull it out of here. Is that one or two? I want them to cook evenly. That's two. There's a perforation. Here's a perforation. Okay. That's how they look. Okay, last time I cooked them on the shrimp setting. That was the lowest temperature. The bread setting is 320 for 8 minutes. I don't want the cake setting. It's 300 for 30 minutes. So it's going to be the shrimp setting, 370 for 6 minutes. I didn't preheat it. I should have. Start. Okay, get this icing out of here. Icing. Looks like orange sherbet. I'll be back when it's. I'm gonna check it before it's done. Stop it now. That means they cooked for 5 minutes at 370. Oh, you don't see these. Brown on the other side. I don't want to drop it. Woo. These are bigger. That's a big one. Okay. Put the icing on. The little piece that's stuck. That's it. That little spot there. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells good. You don't hear why they're still piping hot. This one flat so it don't slide. Like this one, like it's sliding off. Okay. Here. This one looks kind of scarce. If I was a kid, I would lick the inside of this. I would have. Okay, that's it. Here are my orange Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. Okay, these are Pillsbury orange Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. They cooked at 370 for 5 minutes. I guess you want to see me pull one apart and eat it. Oh, y'all can't see me eat it. Since y'all can't see me, I'll pull one apart. Which one? The icing all down here. Okay, let's see how it looks. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Okay, the inside is done. Like a real cinnamon roll. Look at that. It's cooked all the way through. That's how the bottom looks. I gotta taste it. I'll probably just take 2 and Walter can have the rest. Because I ain't supposed to have none of it. I think I'll take 3. Okay. I'm gonna take him a basket of these. Okay, y'all. I want to thank you all for watching. Get some of this icing out of here. He likes a lot of icing. Okay, that's good. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed night. Okay, it's 11:40 p.m. Okay, bye y'all. Good night.